Hello guys, welcome to See Geeks. In part first, today we are going to learn 3 Windows secret tricks which are very tricky and useful for everyone. If you have not already subscribed our channel, please subscribe Computer Geeks and like our videos for more lessons. So the first trick is Preview Pane. Second one is reset Windows password without knowing the old password. And the third trick is how to block one or more websites in your Windows. This is very useful for privacy and safety purpose. Preview Pane saves you lots of time and processing, and the shortcut key is Alt P. Suppose this is my folder. To enable Preview Pane, press Alt and P. Now this is a preview for every file and pictures and folders. Suppose this is a document, text document. This is Preview Pane. Suppose in thumbnails I have multiple pictures. You can increase or decrease the size of pane by this line. To disable the preview pane, again press Alt and P. Alt and P is very useful. This is Preview Pane. In this way you can enable or disable Preview Pane. The second one is reset Windows password without knowing the old password. Guys, if you are going to change the password of your Windows username, you have to go into setting and then you can change from users, accounts, sign in option, password. If you want to change the password of Windows, you need current or previous password to update a new password. So instead of typing old password, I will show you how to change the password without entering old password. So you need to go into CMD command line interface, search CMD, run as administrator. Yes. Now DOS is, as you know, very powerful and tricky. You have to play with it. I have another video in which multiple DOS commands and tricks are there. Type net user. Now these are the users and I want to change the password of this one, C Geeks. Type the net user, then exact name of that account, that username, cgeek, and I want to apply suppose 128. The command has been successfully completed. After applying new password, you can log out and check that it's working. It's already successfully implemented. So you have no need to enter or remember the old password. You can just update here from DOS. So the third trick is how to block website in Windows. For privacy or for children or family, you can block multiple websites. First of all, you need to go into this PC, C, Windows. You need to search system 32-bit. then drivers, press P. This is driver folder. You must be careful while playing with Windows folders and directories. In etc. folder, we have two files, host file. The first one is calendar and the second one is text file. We need text file. We can check the preview of this file here. So first of all, I will move to desktop, host file to desktop so that we can edit it to write our code. Now then open with notepad. Now this is text file, we can edit it. Now you have to check the IP of this last localhost. You need to start 127.0.0 same like above. Then press after dot 2. You need to start from next of 1. Next of 1 is 2. Now type the address of website which you want to block or disable from your PC. Suppose I want to disable Facebook from my PC, from my browsers. I will type the code www.facebook.com. You can copy from URL and paste here. Now if I want to add the next address of this 3, now you need to press 3, facebook.com, because this URL also works. Then again for fp.com, because this is also URL from Facebook. www. You can add multiple sites, social media sites, or the specific websites which you want to disable from PC. Now I will save, close. Then I will again move to etc. folder, continue. Now the code has been written and we have blocked Facebook. Let's check it out with edge fp.com. So the site has been blocked here. Now if you want to remove the website from blocking mode, you just need to go again from etc. folder, host, text file, this one. These are the block sites. You can add multiple sites. You just remove this code, this IP with URL of that specific website. Now these sites have been unblocked. Save. After removing from host, the specific sites are now unblocked. Thanks guys for watching and learning. Please like our videos and stay with us for part 2 of Windows tricks.